Welcome to the in front of me OPPO Reno 5Z, and I'll show you the loudest speaker level of this device. So I just will make it with the help of the decibel meter, and now I'll set here the maximum mode. This mode means that when the decibel meter will reach the highest volume of our device speaker, then this value on the display will change. So let's start. Min max. Okay. So as we can see, our device reached 114.5 decibels. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.